Hi there. Welcome to VIDIZMO, a platform for managing digital media like videos, audio, images, and documents on a branded portal. For this tutorial, we'll be using our portal for LexCorp, a fictitious enterprise, as an example to help you understand how VIDIZMO works. In this video, we'll be taking a look at how to navigate and interact with video content in VIDIZMO. Please note that VIDIZMO uses a role-based access control list, and all the information presented is subject to permissions for each user. You will only be able to view portals and content for which you have permissions. There are multiple ways you can access a video. You can search for a particular video by clicking on the search bar on the top menu and entering keywords that relate to the video you're looking for, such as through the title, tags, or categories. VIDIZMO's powerful search engine will fetch all the videos relevant to the term. Your customizable home page also shows a number of select videos. The slider under the top menu bar can contain a number of videos. Through the video settings, contributors can assign specific videos that they wish to promote on the customizable slider at the top of the page. Viewers can see which videos have been recently published, as well as videos that users have viewed or interacted with the most. This shows viewers videos which they are most likely to be interested in. To view videos in a portal, you can click on the various portals on the top menu bar, or click on a portal name under the list of featured portals. Clicking on a tag allows viewers to see all the videos assigned to it. Viewers can use the tag cloud to find videos under the topic of their interest. To browse through all the videos in a portal, click on the search icon in the search bar and you'll be redirected to the media library. Here, you can browse through all the videos and narrow your search by clicking on a category or tag to filter your search results. Clicking on a video will redirect you to the playback page where your video can be played. You can configure your player template to prevent or allow viewers to access a set of options for the video, such as bookmark the video, download attached digital files, activate closed captions, access the settings for the video, or view the video in theater or full screen mode. Viewers can also like, share, favorite, download, or comment on the video. You can follow along with the transcription while the video plays under the transcription tab. You can choose a font size, make an edit, choose any language, and download the transcription. You can even search for a particular word, or click on the transcription and you'll be taken to the point where the dialogue occurs in the video.
As I'm sure you're aware, sequestration went into effect today. What that means is that across-the-board federal budget cuts, I share your disappointment and your concern.
Using the Insights tab, you can find a list of faces detected by the artificial intelligence in the video. Clicking on a face will show the time they appear in the video. The AI also automatically detects and assigns labels, brands, topics, emotions, keywords, and sentiments identified in the video. You can also see where these aspects occur in the video by clicking the highlighted points on the bar.
Reversal. We know that cuts of this magnitude will certainly affect some of our programs. As this process unfolds,
you can also search for an aspect detected in the video. Under the Transcription and Insights panes, you can find a series of recommended videos to watch relative to the video being played. Well, that's all for this video. If you want to learn more, check out our guide on understanding portals to learn about how portals work. Stay tuned until next time.